Yukon River Quest 2026, 82 days away. I finally got my seat figured out. This is the carbon fiber seat that comes with the 18x. I thought it was fiberglass, but once I started looking at it, seems to be maybe carbon fiber, maybe fiberglass mix. It's kind of heavy, not comfortable. It runs on a track system that I took out of the boat. Then I went with option number 2, custom made, just closed cell foam. And what was happening was that was pushing to the back of the bulkhead and making it leak. So I had to reseal all that. And I got a Bumfortable, was my third option, and that just kept pushing even further back to where my back was rubbing against this. And long distance paddling, you can't have that. It's going to rub your skin raw all the way down to the bone. So I created a spacer, closed cell foam, put the Bumfortable in, and the Bumfortable pushed me too far back. Works great with this one. Not comfortable with how my thighs right here start to burn after about a mile because of the position I'm in. So I created a larger one, and this one seems to work out perfectly. Gets me in the right space, and then I kind of just cut out a little bit there. This just sits right in there. Gives me a great action. I can lean back a little bit. It's got some flex in it, so it's not pushing on my back. Seems to work out great. So that's ready. I've got a mesh deck bag per Jeff Waters' recommendation. I'll attach this probably to this cable right here to where it lays on my lap once my new spray skirt comes in. And then figuring out the start, it's on a gravel bar, and if this boat sits on a gravel bar and I push off, it'll probably crack the hull, which is what happened to me in Safari in a low water dam. So what I'm thinking about doing is getting some tent stakes and unrolling these yoga mats and laying them down underneath the boat, toward the front of the boat to cushion the boat, and then taking this outdoor carpet that I used in my FJ to build my rear deck and putting this on top. Hopefully the boat will slide into the water, because my crew Cecilia and Brooke Catalea, will be able to push me into the water, hopefully. So that's seat configuration, good. 82 days, Yukon River Quest 2026. Whoop.